Good morning, children. Sairam. Let's start our today's class with the revision of last class. In the last class, we had done what is computer, the functional units of computer. In the functional unit, we had covered input, processing, output, then the CPU. In CPU, the definition of CPU and the parts of CPU. Parts of CPU, ALU, CU and memory unit. In the last, we had started a topic applications of computer. Now today we will continue that topic. Children, please take a rough notebook and pen with you so that you can prepare notes. Let's start applications of computer. Computer plays a very important role in every field of life. Today's life, computers are used almost everywhere. Computer is an essential part of human life. Now we will discuss some fields where computer plays a very important role. Business, banking, insurance, educational, medical fields, military, communication, government, music, films and televisions. Now we will discuss one by one how computers are used in these fields. In business, computers are used for collecting the data of different work, and then that data is being analyzed and used for the growth of the business. The data regarding following things are collected. First, payroll calculations, budgeting, sales analysis, financial forecasting, managing employee database, maintenance of stocks, etc. Banking. Nowadays, banking are totally depends on the computer. It is very hard to imagine the banking sector without computer. We will discuss some points how we are using computer in bank. Online accounting facility, checking current balance. We can check our current balance online, making deposits and overdrafts, ATM machines. We all are aware of ATM machines and we all are using ATM machines. In the field of education, computers are used for various purposes. Let's discuss. First point. There are a number of methods in which educational institutes can use a computer to educate the students. Example, this online class. We all are using this online class for learning the concepts of many subjects. So this one is the best example. Next point. It is used to prepare a database about performance of a student, and analysis is carried out on this basis. Not only the student record but the employees in the school, means the teachers and the other staff, the data regarding their salary, their attendance, all are stored in the computer. Next one is marketing. In the marketing field, how we are using computer? First one, advertisement. With computer, advertisement professionals create art and graphics, write and revise, copy and print and ads with the goal of selling more products. In the marketing field, advertisements are prepared with the help of the computer and they are used as a medium of their marketing. Home shop. We all are aware about home shop. We are using Amazon, Flipkart, etc. for the selling and buying things. Healthcare. In the field of healthcare or medical field, computers are used for different purpose like diagnosis system. What is diagnosis system? In it, the patient's data is collected by the computer and computer tells the reason of illness. Lab diagnosis system means the report of the illness. The computer collects the patient record and with the help of computer, the reports are being created. Patient monitoring system like ECG machines, etc. Pharma information system. In this, the drugs are being checked by the computer, the expiry date, the side effects of the medicines, etc. Surgery. Nowadays, there are many machines with computers which play a very important role in the surgery. Military. In military, computers are used to control the missiles. The communication, for the communication purpose means military communications, military operations and planning. Computers are used for the planning in the military. Smart weapons. Computers are used in military for controlling the smart weapons, as in that smart weapons the operating system are there. In communication field, computers are used for numerous purposes like email. We all are using email. Email means electronic mail, the best and the fastest and the most efficient way of sending and receiving email. Chatting. We all are using WhatsApp, Instagram and many other social networking sites to chat with our family, friends, etc. Video conferencing. With the same social networking sites, we are able to connect with our friends and family members virtually. We can see them. That is known as video conferencing. Now the next one and the last one is in government field. In government field, computers are used for budgets, to create the budget and to analyze the last budget. What are the problems in the last budget? With that, the government can improve the latest budget. Sales tax department. Sales tax department use computer to collect the data regarding it and analyze that how it helps in the growth of the country. Income tax, same like sales tax. Computation of male and female ratio means calculating the numbers of male and female ratio. Computerization of voters list. Computerization of PAN card as well as the Aadhaar card. With this, we have finished this topic, applications of computer. Now we will continue the class with the next topic. Characteristics of computer system. Like human being, computer also have some strength and weakness. Now let's discuss about the strength of computer system. Speed, accuracy, diligence, versatility, reliability, memory, etc. And now we will discuss one by one them in detail. Speed. A computer works with much higher speed compared to humans while performing mathematical calculation. Computer can do very fast calculation as compared to us. It can calculate the numbers in very much high speed. Computer can process millions of instructions per second. The time taken by computers for their operations is microsecond and the nanosecond. You can compare the speed of the computer with the blinking. Means the processing speed of computer is like or less than the blinking. Second one is accuracy. Computers perform calculations with 100% accuracy. Errors may occur due to data inconsistency or inaccuracy. Means that computer performs all its operations with 100% accuracy. The result, if the result is wrong, it is due to the human error or the hardware error. If we will give the wrong input, then only computer will give the wrong output. Diligence. A computer can perform millions of tasks or calculation with the same consistency and accuracy. It means that computer can perform many tasks at a time and with the same accuracy and the same speed. Versatility. Versatility refers to the capability of computer to perform different kind of work with the accuracy and efficiency at same time. Reliability. A computer is reliable as it gives consistent result for similar set of data. If we give same set of input any number of time, we will get the same result. Means that we can trust on the output of the computer. It will give the correct and the exact output. A computer has built-in memory called primary memory where it stores data. Secondary storage are removable devices such as CDs, pen drives, etc. which are also used to store data. Computer has a huge amount of storage. It can store different type of data, and there are two types of memory, that is primary memory and secondary memory, RAM and ROM. The primary memory is that memory when we are working on the computer, and the secondary memory is that memory where we save our data for the future use. Weakness of computers. Now we will discuss the weakness of computer. No IQ. A computer is a machine that has no intelligence to perform any task. It means that computer never do any work by its own. Every time it needs the instruction by the human being, then only it will give the output. Each instruction has to be given to the computer. A computer cannot take any decision on its own. Computer cannot take any decision on its own. Dependency. It totally depends on the human instruction. Now let's discuss in detail. It functions as per the user's instruction, thus it is fully dependent on the human being. No feelings. Computer have no feelings or no emotions. It cannot make judgment based on feeling, taste, experience and knowledge unlike humans. No heuristic. A heuristic technique or a heuristic is any approach to problem solving or self-discovery that employs a practical method that is not guaranteed to be optimal, perfect or rational, but which is nevertheless sufficient for reaching an immediate short-term goal. What is the meaning of that? Means computer never learn from its past mistake. As human beings, we as human beings learn from our past mistake. Like if we are doing a calculation that 4 plus 3 is equal to 8, we are writing wrong, but next time when we will correct or someone will correct our mistake, we will not make that mistake again. But this quality is not there in computer. Computer never learn from its old mistake. Converging technology. What is the meaning of converging technology? When a new technology merge with the old technology, the best features of old technology, then it is known as a converging technology. Example, we are having updates in our mobile phone. That updates are supposed to be as converging technology. So let's discuss the definition of converging technology. The process by which existing technologies merge into new forms that brings together different types of media and applications is known as technological convergence. The technology convergence capability for organizations is ability to embedded in the devices and products. In the simple words, we can say that when the old technology merge with the new technology, that technology is known as converging technology. We are at the ending of the chapter. Let's discuss about a quick summary of the chapter about which topic we had learned. Computer, the functional units of computer, CPU and its part, applications of computer, characteristics of computer, and the converging technology also. I hope you are clear with all the topics. Now I am giving you home assignment. First question, write about 3 applications of computer. Question number 2, define 2 strengths of computer. Question number 3, write 2 weaknesses of computer. Please children, do this home assignment in your rough notebook. Take care of yourself. Thank you. Sai Ram.